Welcome back to the Wax Slayer. My name's April. So I'm super excited about today's video, you guys. Scentsy was having a January promotion where if you closed out a Scentsy party, you got double host rewards. So you guys, I had a pretty big party and I was able to get 6 half-off items plus some free product. So if you want to see what I stocked up on, go ahead and stick around.
It's the darkest before the dawn. Feel the night melt into the sun.
So let's go ahead and start off with the warmer I picked up. So my friend Stephanie at Steph Loves Life, I watched one of her video hauls and she picked up the On the Shore warmer, and you guys, it was so beautiful. I knew I had to go ahead and grab it. So this is one of the free things that I got, and you guys, it is stunning. It is a 40-watt bulb warmer, so it's gonna get hot even though it's glass, but I love the mosaic glass pieces on here. It's like a beautiful copper and a beautiful green turquoise color. I think this is gonna go beautifully in my beach themed bathroom, so I am super excited to be able to pick that one up, and that one is actually in clearance. I want to say it was like $36, so that's a steal of a price for that one. All right, so some of my less glamorous items, but very much needed, are some air purifier filters. I went ahead and I picked up 4 total. Again, I think I got, and I'm just throwing them on the floor, you guys. Throwing them on the floor. 2 I got for free, and the other 2 I got for my half-off items. Okay. So now for my favorite part, and that is the wax. So here it is in all of its glory. You guys, I stocked up on the current Bring Back My bars. There are so many scents that I love, and I knew I needed them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull off the top. I picked up 2 lavender vanillas, and this is a scent that I surprisingly love. To me, I get that sweet, beautiful lavender, and then a creamy vanilla. To me, this actually leans kind of body care / bakery. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. So I picked up 2 bars, and I did go ahead and add that one to my quarterly club. Okay, next up is, I picked up the Valentine's Day collection, and do I want to talk about those now? Yeah, we'll just go ahead and we'll talk about them. The first one is Perfectly Cute. And the scent notes are pear, whipped vanilla, and apricot blossom. And this is beautiful. It is a sweet, fruity, little tiny bit body care scent, but it's gorgeous. The pear is a beautiful pear. I love this one. I think this one might actually go into my club if it performs well. I have not warmed it yet, but on cold so far, it's gorgeous. Another scent is Simply the Zest. And I know a lot of people were singing, "You're simply the zest." Yeah, because you know, it's kind of catchy. Scent notes are sandalwood, lush greens, and tropical fruits. And this is nice. The tropical fruits, I would say they're kind of like bordering on the citrusy side. I swear I'm getting almost like a sweet grapefruit as well. So I'm curious to see how this one performs. It's nice. Is it going to be a club scent for me? Probably not, but if I like it, I might pick up another bar. And let's see. Yep, on top over here, we have I Pick You, also from the Valentine's Day collection. And the scent notes are red currant, honeysuckle nectar, and white amber. And to me, this is the most floral out of the bunch. And I think it's that honeysuckle nectar. Yeah, the white amber is kind of giving it a bit of a body care vibe as well. But I would say out of all 3, this one is probably my least favorite just because I am really picking up that floral note. So it's nice, but that's probably going to be enough for me. Okay. I don't know if these are all in order here, but we are going to try. This next scent is one that I absolutely fell in love with, and that is Vanilla Walnut. And can I get them all up on here? Maybe, maybe not. Here we are. I picked up 6. Yes, 6 bars of Vanilla Walnut. You guys, this scent is amazing. I love it. I'm a vanilla girl at heart. This one is so good. It's a very creamy, rich, sophisticated, decadent vanilla, but you are getting like that nuttiness from the walnut. Oh my gosh, the bottom. It's so, so good. To me, this is a bakery scent. I don't know. I think some people might find it a little body care, but for me, I think the walnut is kind of making it edge out towards the bakery side. But I love it, and she's in my club. I actually put her in my bi-monthly club because I freaking love that scent. Okay, let's see. Next up is Toasted Caramel Sugar, and I think I picked up 3. I did. I found the other one in the box. So I picked up 3 of the Toasted Caramel Sugar. Ooh, and I am just dropping things today. And I love this one as well. Oh, it's so sweet. You definitely get that caramel, so you have to like caramel scents to like this, I think. Oh, and then like the toastiness. I really am picking up on that toastiness. Oh, it's so good. It's sweet, it's rich, it's decadent. It's delightful. This one is also going into my Scentsy Club, and I think it's going to go into my bi-monthly. Really love that one. It's a decent performer. I wouldn't say it's overly strong, but it kind of ticks on and on and on. It's really, really good. Okay, next up is not a Bring Back My Bar, but it is a former scent of the month a few months ago, and that is Mint to Be Merry. And this one has my heart. I love this. Oh, it's so good. This is definitely like a bakery cookie slash sweet peppermint scent. It's just blended together so nicely. I love this. I put 2 in my quarterly club. This is one that's probably going to stay forever and ever. I love that. That I think is probably the best scent of the month we had for the entire year of 2023. Okay, next up is not a Bring Back My Bar, but it is currently available for a limited time only, and that is Crème de Menthe, and this is from the Mardi Gras collection, and I did go ahead and make a video on that one that you can try to see if I can link it up there. But this one is so good. It's definitely mint, so you have to like mint scents, but there's a creaminess to this as well. There aren't, I don't have the scent notes here, but there isn't chocolate, I don't think, in the scent notes, but I swear I'm picking up on a little bit of chocolate. Kind of gives me Peppermint Dream vibes from Scentsy, so I love this one. And since I don't have Peppermint Dreams, I am clubbing this one. I think I'm going to put 2 bars in my quarterly club. I am a mint girl. Also from the Mardi Gras collection is King Cake. And this one is an absolute fabulous bakery scent. Oh, so good. So it's very rich, it's very decadent, it's very buttery, but it's so good. Oh my gosh, this one is a great performer. Yeah, I love this. So this one I actually added to my Scentsy Club as well. I put 2 bars in my quarterly club. It's so good. So if you have not tried that one and you're a bakery lover, I highly suggest picking that one up. Okay, let's see. Next up, how many did I get? I got 3. I picked up 3 whipped vanilla pears, and this is from the current Bring Back My Bars. And this is nice. Yeah, it's a sweet pear with some creaminess from the vanilla. It is definitely a bakery scent to my nose. Yeah, oh, the bottom is so good. I am 99.9% sure that I am going to add this one to my club. I just haven't quite pulled the trigger yet, but yeah. I'm going to warm this one more time to see how it does. Actually, I don't think, did I warm this one yet? I don't think so. So I'm going to warm it to see how it does. And if it performs decent, if it performs well, like in my living room, then I'm going to put that one in my Scentsy Club because it is beautiful. And I do love those pear scents, but just want to make sure it's going to perform for me. Okay, this one, you guys, this one was a surprise. Where is the other one? There it is. Okay, this is also from Bring Back My Bar, and this is Bananas, B-A-B-A-N-A-S. Okay, sorry for the singing, but you guys, this one This one is so good. So it is definitely like a candied banana scent, but there is some like added creamy coconut to it, almost like a creamy coconut milk. I love this one, and oh, it's so good. I feel like this one is going to be a great mixer. So I'm thinking mixing this with like Squeeze the Day and sugar cookie to kind of make like a banana cream pie or a banana lemon cream pie kind of a vibe. I don't know, you guys. I just think that's going to be amazing. So that's what I'm going to do. And she's going into my Scentsy Club. Not sure if it's going to go into my bi-monthly or my quarterly yet, but she's going in for sure. All right, next up is another scent from the Mardi Gras collection, and we'll just talk about it. That is Confetti Showers. Now, I did warm this one already, and I really liked it the first time I warmed it for a second time, and I wasn't liking it as much as I did the first time, so now I have 3 bars. It's okay. It's just, I think it was kind of giving me this grapefruit vibe, which I do like grapefruit scents, but this one was a really sharp kind of grapefruit scent. I think I wanted maybe just a little bit more sweetness from it. But yeah, it's nice, but I'm not going to club that one. I thought I was going to, but I'm not now. Okay, next up, okay, this is one that's been getting a lot of buzz, and that is Strawberry Sweetie. And I did actually pick up 3 bars, but I have already warmed another one, and you guys, I freaking love this one. I freaking love this one. So it is definitely like an artificial candy sweet strawberry. It's not like a fresh picked strawberry. It's not a bakery strawberry. It's like a strawberry lollipop, but I'm digging it. Yeah, this is good. And when I warmed it, it was a really, really good performer. I melted it in my office in here, and it did great. I had it in for over 24 hours, and I could still smell it the next day, and it was really nice. And honestly, you know, this one I think can also have some mixing potential. I'm thinking maybe if lemon sorbet comes back, or sparkling yellow, kind of like a nice strawberry lemonade. So I picked up 3 more bars, and she is going to go into my Scentsy Club. Okay, next up is Toasted Apple Butter. And again, this is from the current Bring Back My Bars, and I did warm this one already. And I liked it a lot more on cold. So I already placed this order after or before I warmed it. And it's okay. It's a little bit of the base, I feel like, of apple butter frosting, but it's definitely missing the extra sweetness from the buttercream. So maybe if I mix this with vanilla bean buttercream, that might kind of help it out a little bit. But I was really going back and forth on whether or not I was going to club it, and ultimately I don't think I'm going to, just because I don't think I love it as much as I thought I did. And rounding out the bars that I picked up is Caramel Sugar Cone, also from the Bring Back My Bar collection going on right now. And this is so good. I really do like this one, and I think I'm the only person who gets like a pear note out of this. Pear is not in the scent description, but my nose is kind of reading something in here like a sweet pear. And it's lovely. Am I gonna club it? I don't know. It's like my club is ginormous, and I'm really trying to rein it in a little bit, but this one might. But then again, it might not. I don't know. I think I'll try warming it one more time just to see if I love it or not on warm. And if I do, then I'll probably put it in my quarterly club. But that's what I picked up for the bars. And there is one other little item in here, and that is a Squeeze the Day car bar. This is a really nice scent. I love it. It's lemony, but it also has like a creamy vanilla note to it. Really delicious. And this actually does pretty well in my car. One of the better car bars, in my opinion, for strength. So that's it, you guys. That is what I picked up in my Scentsy party closeout with double rewards. I'm so excited I was able to stock up on a lot of these bars. Several of them are going to my Scentsy Club. This was a pretty good round. I don't think it was like the best Scentsy Bring Back My Bar we've ever had, but it was decent. Several scents in there that I do love. So let me know in the comments below if you picked up any of these bars, which ones are your favorites, are you gonna club anything, and really want to know what you think of the latest Bring Back My Bar voting that we had. I have some questions about that. So thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.